Feeling hungry and need a quick, contactless way to pay at Sonic? Forget fumbling for cash or cards today. We're showing you just how easy it is to use Apple Pay at your favorite Sonic drive-in, making getting your order on the go smoother than ever. First things first, you'll need to link your preferred payment card to Apple Pay. Open your iPhone's Wallet app, tap the plus sign in the top right corner, and follow the on-screen prompts to add your debit or credit card. It's a super quick setup process. Now that your card is set up, let's talk about placing your order. When you pull up to the Sonic speaker, place your order just like you normally would. No need to mention Apple Pay yet. Once you're done ordering and ready to pay, simply press the red button on the stall to signal you're ready to finalize your purchase. This is where Apple Pay shines. The Sonic employee will provide you with the total on a tap-to-pay terminal. To pay, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone to bring up your default card. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Then, hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless reader on the payment terminal until you see a checkmark and done appear on your phone screen. That's it. Your payment is complete. Using Apple Pay at Sonic makes getting your favorite chili cheese coney or cherry limeade incredibly convenient and secure. No more handing over your physical card. Just tap pay and enjoy. So next time you're craving Sonic, remember to use Apple Pay for a fast, contactless, and super easy checkout experience. Enjoy your food.